Addiction, a complex disease that can ensnare individuals in a cycle of harmful behaviors, is a formidable challenge. While there are various factors contributing to addiction, the power of self-discipline can play a pivotal role in overcoming it. Understanding self-discipline. Self-discipline is the ability to control one's impulses and behaviors, particularly in the face of temptation or adversity. It involves making conscious choices, setting goals, and persevering through challenges. For individuals struggling with addiction, self-discipline is essential for breaking free from the destructive patterns of their habit. The role of self-discipline in addiction recovery. Resisting cravings. Addiction is often characterized by intense cravings that can be difficult to resist. Self-discipline empowers individuals to recognize these cravings, understand their triggers, and develop strategies to cope with them without resorting to the addictive behavior. Establishing healthy habits. Breaking free from addiction requires replacing harmful behaviors with healthy alternatives. Self-discipline is crucial for establishing new routines and sticking to them, such as engaging in regular exercise, practicing mindfulness, or spending time with supportive loved ones. Setting and achieving goals. Setting clear, achievable goals is a powerful tool in addiction recovery. Self-discipline helps individuals stay focused on their objectives, overcome setbacks, and celebrate their progress. Managing stress and emotions. Addiction can often be a coping mechanism for underlying stress or emotional turmoil. Self-discipline enables individuals to develop healthier ways to manage their emotions, such as seeking therapy, practicing relaxation techniques, or engaging in hobbies. Building resilience. Overcoming addiction requires resilience, the ability to bounce back from setbacks and challenges. Self-discipline fosters resilience by cultivating a positive mindset, developing problem-solving skills, and learning from mistakes. Strategies for cultivating self-discipline. Mindfulness and meditation. These practices can help individuals become more aware of their thoughts, feelings, and behaviors, making it easier to resist cravings and make conscious choices. Healthy lifestyle. A balanced diet, regular exercise, and sufficient sleep contribute to overall well-being and can enhance self-discipline. Support system. Surrounding oneself with supportive friends, family, or a recovery group can provide encouragement, accountability, and a sense of belonging. Positive affirmations. Repeating positive statements can help shift one's mindset and reinforce self-belief. Small, incremental steps. Breaking down large goals into smaller, manageable steps can make the journey seem less daunting and increase the likelihood of success. While self-discipline is a powerful tool in addiction recovery, it is important to acknowledge that it is not a solitary endeavor. Seeking professional help, such as therapy or counseling, can provide valuable support and guidance. By combining self-discipline with professional support, individuals can overcome addiction and embark on a path toward a healthier, happier life.